Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. So our today's topic is how to set up Netgear WN1000RP Wi-Fi extender. If your Wi-Fi router provides wireless internet access for multiple devices like phones, laptops, and smart TV, then this Netgear WN1000RP extender setup is one of the best. The Netgear WN1000RP Wi-Fi range extender is a compact device designed to boost and extend your existing Wi-Fi signal to areas with weak or no coverage. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. First of all, unbox the Netgear WN1000RP extender box. Inside the Netgear WN1000RP Wi-Fi extender box, you'll find the extender unit itself, a quick start guide with setup instructions, and warranty/support information. It may also include a basic Ethernet cable for optional wired connection during setup. Now plug the Netgear WN1000RP into a wall socket near your main Wi-Fi router. Turn on the power if it has a switch. Wait 1 to 2 minutes until the power LED turns solid green. This confirms the extender is ready for setup. On your computer, phone, or tablet, go to your Wi-Fi settings. Connect to the extender's network, Netgear_EXT. Wait until it says connected. Open Chrome, Safari, Edge, etc. In the address bar, type www.mywifixt.net or 192.168.1.250 if the first one doesn't load. You'll see the Netgear setup page. Click New Extender Setup. Create an account or log in with an existing Netgear account. Select Range Extender Mode. When asked to select device mode, choose Range Extender. Click Next. The extender will scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Enter your main router's Wi-Fi password. Choose Wi-Fi name option, use the same Wi-Fi name or keep default_ext added to the name. Click Next. The extender will now apply settings, takes 1 to 2 minutes. When setup finishes, you will see connected successfully. The extender will restart automatically. Reconnect your device to the extended Wi-Fi network. Place the extender in the best location. Unplug the extender. Move it to a position halfway between router and weak signal area. Plug it back in. Check the link LED. Green means best signal, amber means good signal, red means move closer to router. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.